Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings. In Settings, click on Connection and Sharing. Select Print and default print service. Then wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different service, disable this one by tapping on blue switcher next to the default one. Tap on the back button and choose Add Print Service. Then select the best one for your printer from the list of available ones. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Then choose your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!